क्राफ्ट इनइक्वालिटी थ्योरम। ये थ्योरम क्या है? दिस इज अ थ्योरम which gives a bound on the set of code word length of any codes. So what does this theorem says? See the definition statement. Craft inequality theorem. It is clear that we cannot assign short code words to all the source symbols and still be prefix free. ये कंडीशन हम नहीं लगा सकते. We cannot assign short code words to all the source symbols and still be the prefix free. So the set of code word length possible for the instantaneous code, make sure it is for what? ये किसके लिए है? This is for instantaneous codes. The set of code word length possible for instantaneous code is limited by the following inequality. It is limited by the following inequality theorem. Theorem क्या है? Theorem says for any instantaneous codes or prefix codes over an alphabet size D and the code word lengths L1, L2 up to Lm must satisfy the inequality, and that inequality is this, which is what? Summation of D power of minus Li less than and equals to 1 for all the values of I. That means, let's say if I equals to 3, so I'll have D power minus L1 plus D power minus L2 plus D power minus L3. इन सब का सम होगा लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1. This is the theorem. What is Li here? Li is the length of the code word. Like हमने Shannon Fano के simple example में देखा था. For x1 we have assigned, let's say, is 1 1, so the length was 2 bits. So Li is 2 bits in that case. Li is the length of code word. And what is the D? D is the different alphabets that are generated by the source. So when a source is generating symbols 0 and 1, the D will be 2. When the source is generating 3 symbols 0, 1 and 2, so D will be 3 in this case. When the source is generating 0, 1, 2, 3, D will be 4. Right? So D is the different alphabets. How many different alphabets a source is generating? If a source is generating only 2 alphabets, 0 and 1, D will be 2. The statement says, given a set of code word length that satisfy this inequality, there is an instantaneous code with these code word length. There is always an instantaneous code with these word length. So this theorem must be satisfied by the instantaneous codes. This relationship will hold only for, ये लाइन को मैं चौथी बार रिपीट कर रहा हूं, this relationship will hold only for instantaneous codes or prefix codes. Right? Understand this? There is a proof. Consider a D-array tree. Consider a D-array tree in which each node has D childrens. Each node has D childrens. Just like a source is generating D different symbols, so we have D different childrens. A node has D different childrens. Understand this. Let the branches of the tree represents the symbol of the code words. The branches of the tree branches of the tree represents the symbol of the code words. For example, the D branches arising from the root nodes represents the D possible values of the first symbol of the code word. Then each code word is represented by a leaf on the tree. So ये हमारे पास एक रूट है, एक ट्री है. दिस इज अ ट्री, D array tree. In this we have a root, and that root has D number of childrens. In this we have only two childrens, 0, 1. We have only two childrens, 0 and 1. तो D की वैल्यू क्या होगी यहां पर? 2. We have only two children, 0 and 1. So D की वैल्यू क्या होगी जी? 2 होगी, है ना? Then if I consider this as a node और इसके दो ब्रांचेस निकलेंगे, तो इसके दो ब्रांचेस, सी यहां पर कोडवर्ड क्या हुआ? 0. दिस कोडवर्ड इज 1. इस नोड से अगर दो ब्रांचेस निकलेंगी तो उन दो ब्रांचेस के कोडवर्ड्स असाइन करेंगे हम. फॉर अपर, ऊपर के लिए क्या लिखेंगे आप? 1 0, और नीचे के लिए 1 1. अगर आप सी, इफ आई हैव दिस नोड और इस नोड के लिए दो ब्रांचेस निकला, तो दो ब्रांचेस के लिए दिस कोड विल बी 0 0. यहां पर आएगा what? 0 1 0 1, right? So we have four different code words: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. और आगे बढ़ेंगे तो इस नोड की दो ब्रांचेस आएंगी. ऊपर वाली ब्रांच को आप असाइन करेंगे 1 1 0, नीचे वाली ब्रांच को 1 1 1. ऐसे ही हर एक नोड को देख सकते हैं आप. इस नोड के भी दो आएंगे ब्रांच. क्या आएंगे? 1 0 0, नीचे 1 0 1. राइट? फॉर दिस इज 0 0 इस ब्रांच के लिए, 0 0 0, नीचे वाली ब्रांच के लिए 0 0 1. ग्रेट. देन 0 1 0, 0 1 1. ये दो ब्रांचेस जाएंगी इसकी. सो दिस इज अ D array tree. Each node has D children. हर एक नोड के पास कितने बच्चे हैं? दो बच्चे हैं. Therefore D equals to 2. Read the first line. Consider a D array tree. एक D array tree को कंसिडर कीजिए in which each node has D childrens. यहां पर हर एक नोड के पास सिर्फ दो बच्चे हैं, only two childrens. Therefore D equals to 2 here. Why? Because it is generating two symbols. एक सोर्स दो सिंबल जनरेट कर रहा है, 0 और 1, only that's it. अगर 0 1 2 जनरेट करता तो D की वैल्यू 3 हो जाती. Let the branches of tree represents the symbol of the code words. So the branches of the tree का जो branch है, that represents the symbol of the code word. So this branch is representing 0 0. This is the symbol of the code word. 1 is another symbol of the code word. एग्जाम्पल के लिए बताया गया है D branches are arising from the root node. D को आप 2 कंसिडर कीजिए क्योंकि बाइनरी ट्री में हमारे पास दो ही ब्रांच हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल the 2 branches arising from the root node represents the 2 possible values of the first symbol of the code word. Then each code word is represented by the leaf on the tree. You got it? This is a D array tree. That means 2 array tree क्योंकि यहां पर D की वैल्यू 2 है. Lmax be the length of the longest code word of the set of code words. So Lmax be the length of the longest code word. What is the length here? What is the length at this point? Length of code word. What is the value of Lmax here? It is 1. Great. So Li is Lmax, and that is how much? Li equals to 1 in this case. length of code word at this point, li equals to 2, and length of code word, maximum length of code word at this point is li or lmax equals to 3. Great. So lmax is the length of longest code word of the set of code word. अगर आपने यहीं पर क्लोज कर दिया है, अगर आपने यहीं पर क्लोज कर दिया है आपकी ट्री को बनाना li इक्वल्स टू 1 पर, तो lmax विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1 ओनली, बाकी के ट्री को कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. अगर आपने ट्री को और आगे बढ़ाया और आपके पास 4 नोड आ गए, यू गॉट 4 नोड्स, 1 2 3 एंड 4, इन दैट केस द lmax विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2. आपने ट्री को और एक्सटेंड किया और आपके पास 8 कोड वर्ड्स आ गए, you'll get lmax which is equals to 3. So lmax be the length of the it is the length of the longest code word of the set of code words. And what is the dmax? Dmax is the number of nodes at this level. lmax पर कितने nodes हैं? That is dmax. What is dmax? Dmax is d power lmax 8, right? dmax क्या है यहां पर? dmax कितने nodes हैं? When li equals to 3, how many nodes do you have? 2 power 3. So d is 2, lmax is 3, 2 power 3 is how much? 8. So you got 8 nodes. 1 2, this is 1, this is 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. You got 8 nodes. कैसे आया 2 power 3? d power lmax. dmax is d power lmax. When you have li equals to 2, let's say when lmax equals to 2, how many nodes do you have? 1 2 3 4. That means 2 power 2. So 2 power 2, d is 2, lmax is 2. When you have li equals to 1, how many nodes do you have? Only 2 nodes, which is how much? 2 power 1. So d is always 2. lmax varies. lmax vary करता है, maximum length of code word. So you got the dmax value. Dmax is the maximum nodes at lmax. And you always tell that the summation of d power lmax minus of li will always be less than or equals to d power lmax. This will always hold true. Let's say example लेके समझ के देखिए. Let's say d is always 2 in this binary tree. पेन पेपर उठाइए. d is always 2 in this case. Let's say we are taking lmax equals to li, which is equals to 1. lmax is li, which is equals to 1. li की वैल्यू 1 है. 0 और 1 दो ही कोड ले रहा हूं मैं. जब दो ही कोड ले रहा हूं मैं, तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 2 power lmax is 1, li is 1, and this is 2 power 0, which is equals to 1, which is less than or equals to 2 power lmax, which is 1. So 1 is less than equals to 2. So this holds true. This will always holds true. आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलो देखते हैं. लेट्स से आई टेक lmax as 2 0 0. सेकंड ट्री पर आ गए ना, जहां पर 4 नोड है. सो व्हेन वी हैव 4 नोड्स, d power lmax. lmax is what? 2 bits. And li की वैल्यू वेरी करेगी. When li की वैल्यू is 1, this is 2 power 2 minus 1. Summation, when li की वैल्यू is 2, 2 power minus 2, and this is less than or equals to 2 power lmax. What was lmax? Lmax is 2. So this is 2 power 1 plus 2 power 0. And this is what? 2 plus 1, which is 3, which is always less than 4. Right? You may check it for lmax equals to 3 as well. Check it for lmax equals to 3. When lmax equals to 3, what is d power lmax 3 minus li equals to 1 plus d power lmax minus li equals to 1 less than equals to d power lmax. This is 3 minus 1, this is 3 minus 2, this is 3 minus 3. So 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 1 is 2, and 2 power 0 is 1. So this is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Sorry, that is 7, and 7 is always less than equals to 8. So you got it. This will always hold true. Summation of d power lmax minus li less than equals to d power lmax. And in this, we have a variable I only summation में. So d power lmax is always constant. You can cancel out. इसको आप समीशन से बाहर लेके कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. Ultimately, what you'll get is summation of d power minus li less than or equals to 1. Bounds on optimal code length, that is this. Entropy of x is nothing but less than equals to average length of code word less than एंट्रोपी ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1. ये एक थ्योरम है प्रूव करने के लिए, आप लोगों के लिए नहीं है, बट आप फॉर्मूला है उसको याद रख सकते हैं. अगर आप अच्छी बुक उठाएंगे तो आपको ये थ्योरम प्रूव करने के लिए आएगी. थ्योरम मतलब क्या आएगी? थ्योरम लेट प्रूव इट एच एक्स इज लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू एल. एंट्रोपी की वैल्यू कम या बराबर हो सकती है एवरेज और एक्सपेक्टेड लेंथ ऑफ कोड वर्ड के बराबर हो सकती है. सो प्रूव इट. इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रूविंग इट, you just remember it right now. What is L? L is nothing but the summation of pi multiplied with li. Important formula. Code efficiency. Code efficiency is minimum length divided by average length. So code efficiency formula is given as hx given L. hx is entropy, L is the average length of code word, और इससे किसी भी कोड की इफिशिएंसी डिफाइन होती है. ठीक है. in case we have DRA symbols, the efficiency formula will be given as hx given by L log d with base 2. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही. इसके आगे के इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट्स को समझने के लिए हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए स्टे कनेक्टेड, कीप लर्निंग एंड एंजॉय द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. Goodbye.